Hi traders, Anthony here. Every trader is looking for quality trade signals. We get a break of structure. We're looking for the retest of the high. Let's take the trade. Every one of these signals, as they fire, has given us an opportunity. Break of structure, retest of the low. There's your trade. Short. Next signal. Break of structure, retest of the previous high. Buy. We have a full strategy behind this, and I'd like to invite you to join our free Discord trading room. Here we are in Discord. This is the free traders zone. I post trade ideas. There's a Bitcoin trade we've been trading. Everything goes in here. You're welcome. A euro dollar sell. That was a nice trade. Join us. Take advantage of what we're offering here. And of course, if you want to take your trading to the next level, you can join VIP. You'd be surprised at how successful our members have been trading our signals. Guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Look forward to seeing you in Discord.